Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video, and I'm gonna send myself a text message and I want you guys to pay close attention to the camera cutout. But before that, I'm gonna put the phone to sleep, and now I'll send a text message and it should arrive at any moment. And there you have it. Can you see the camera cutout ring? It kind of lights up, letting you know that there is a notification on your phone. Now this is an update to the edge screen lighting. This is not a notification LED. This is just an update to the edge screen lighting. So it kind of like integrates this new camera cutout lighting feature in the edge screen lighting. So let's go to edge screen and then edge lighting, then edge lighting style. So, and if you go to effect, this eclipse is a new effect that is there in the edge screen lighting. And you can also choose the color. You can have a yellow one. I think yellow looks quite nice. And this new updated edge screen lighting also contains more effects. For example, the celebrate is a new one. Then there's this loop. And there is one called Galaxy, Boomerang. Alright, so now let me show you how you can get this updated edge lighting on your Galaxy S10, S10e and the S10 Plus. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is go to Galaxy Store. So Galaxy Store will be pre-installed on your Samsung phone. Just open it and open up the search bar and then search for something called Edge Lighting Plus. So open up Edge Lighting Plus and install it. Once it's installed, you can directly open Edge Lighting Plus from over here. It will take you to this menu and you can select your effect from right over here. Or another method of doing this is from your app drawer. So there is Edge Lighting Plus and it will take you to this screen. And this Edge Lighting Plus app kind of like integrates itself into the phone. So it will also be accessible through the settings. So if you go to display, then if you go to edge screen lighting, then edge lighting style. So yeah, the thing is, this app kind of integrates itself into the phone and it is not a third-party app and it will not drain your battery unnecessarily. And by the way guys, this is not a notification LED light. So once this thing goes off, it goes off. But if you have a notification LED, it kind of stays on even when the screen is turned off. So you can see it will blink periodically to let you know that there is a notification on your phone. But this one, it turns off after like 3 seconds. So this new feature is not a notification LED. It does not periodically blink the edges around the camera cutout. It will just blink once and it will turn off like after 3 seconds. So once again, this is not a notification LED. It's just an upgrade to the edge screen lighting. So cool little app, guys. And once again, just to demonstrate, put the phone to sleep. I'm just gonna call myself on WhatsApp and you will see the camera cutout ring will light up like this. Now this camera cutout notification light works exactly like edge screen lighting. So if it does not light up for a particular app, you might want to turn it on in the settings first. So let's go to settings and go to display, scroll down here and tap on edge screen, then edge screen lighting. Then tap on manage notifications. And here you might want to turn on and off for a particular app. Now for example, if I don't want edge screen lighting or the camera cutout lighting for WhatsApp, I can just turn it off, and now if I send myself a text message, you will see it will not light up. But once I enable this, you'll see it will light up the camera cutout. So this is one part that many people miss out on. You might want to enable edge screen lighting for some apps. Now for WhatsApp, I've noticed that the edge screen lighting does not work for text messages when the screen is turned off. So if I send myself a text message when the screen is turned off, the camera cutout will not light up. But if I call myself on WhatsApp, you will see that the camera cutout will light up like this. So yeah, there is a little bug with WhatsApp, and yeah, you can turn on and off edge lighting for a specific app from over here. Now guys, I am aware of third-party apps like Holy Light as 10 LED notifications, and this one emulates a notification LED with the camera's cutout. So yeah, this topic is for another day. I might make a video on this later on. Alright guys, I think that pretty much wraps it up for the Edge Lighting Plus. And by the way, I know someone will ask, where did this wallpaper come from? Well, this wallpaper is from an app called Hidey Hole, this one. So these guys have a really nice collection of wallpapers that are tailored specifically for the Samsung S10 series, which has a camera cutout on the front of the display. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If you've enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up button and do subscribe to me on YouTube and follow me on Instagram. All the links are down in the video description. So guys, thank you for watching and do stay tuned for more videos on the S10 Plus, and I will see you guys
next time.